We're Travel Tribe. Join us on our journey. We're a family of 6 experiencing the world by planes, trains, and taste buds. Follow our adventures around the world and around the corner. Thanks for joining us on this quick tour of the Sheraton Grand Rio Hotel and Resort in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil.
We finally made it to Rio. Here's the view from the room.
We rented the classic guest room with partial ocean view. We could see Christ the Redeemer in the distance from our balcony. The sounds of the city and the beach at night were mesmerizing. We loved that the glass railing let the kids get to see the views as well. The hotel had a great selection of affordable and tasty room service meals that the kids loved. When the toddlers are happy, the parents are happy. The resort had beach access, a full-size pool and a kiddie pool, as well as hot tubs and tennis courts. Did I mention the amazing views? Visitors that are Marriott Bonvoy Platinum level or higher receive free breakfast in the hotel restaurant. They also receive access to the club lounge. If you are not Platinum level or higher, you can also purchase a room rate that includes club access. The hotel has a free shuttle that takes you to Copacabana Beach as well as Ipanema. The views at this hotel are amazing no matter where you sit. We highly recommend this hotel if you ever find yourself in Rio.